Easy vegan French toast.
Most weekdays. Days. This French toast is our veganised version of an absolute classic.
Yes, so you probably heard of French toast before. When we were little, well, I don't know about you, but we used to call it eggy bread growing up, and obviously it's made with eggs, but we have veganised it. We've got rid of the eggs and we've done a lovely vegan batter, and you'll have to wait and see what's in it, but it tastes just as good, if not better, than the traditional version.
This recipe goes to show that you don't have to miss out at all when you're eating vegan.
Absolutely. So let's get on with the cooking.
So the first thing that we're going to need to make is the French toast batter for the bread to soak in. We're going to start with the sifted flour into a bowl, and then we're going to add in our seasonings. Then on top of that we go with a little bit of sugar for sweetness, and then our dairy-free milk. You're going to want to give this a really good whisk to get all of the lumps out. You want a nice, creamy, smooth batter. We're going to grab our bread. We're using a sourdough here. We're going to cut it into nice, thick slices. Next, we're going to add some butter to the pan and get that nice and hot before we dunk our bread into the batter. You're going to want to flip it over and make sure the bread gets really nice and saturated, and then pop that into your hot butter to sizzle in the pan. A good non-stick pan is really helpful for this part of the recipe, so make sure that you either have a non-stick pan or add a little extra bit of butter, and just be careful when it comes to flipping them. You'll know they're done when they're nice and golden on both sides. It'll take about 5 to 6 minutes per side. So you're ready to serve up. Add that onto a plate, and then on top you go with some vegan yogurt and some banana slices, and we've got some pecans here as well, but other nuts like pistachios or almonds would work nice. And then we've gone on with a little bit of syrup. We're using agave syrup, but golden or maple would work great too. And then for that last little touch, we're going on with icing sugar and a little sprig of mint. And there you go. Beautiful, golden, crunchy, delicious vegan French toast. It couldn't be simpler.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we post loads of recipes and meal inspiration, food shops, the whole works. So click that subscribe button now.
You don't want to miss out, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.